Okay. Continue. Small technical detail problem. Okay. So when we're talking about coming up with the equations for the forces, right? Well, this one here is essentially, if you look at it, this is due to the weight. Now it's this component here, the opposite side. That's why it's the sine, opposite of the angle. And this one here is the normal force, which is this side, which is the adjacent side to the angle, the r side here. Okay. Now this is going in the positive r direction, so this part's positive, and this one's going down in the negative r direction, so that's why this one's negative. Okay, so that's the first equation. Now here, all you're going to do is plug in for your acceleration, the radial direction, the r direction, and then you'll notice you just have the one unknown from this problem. And the second part, same thing. Now you have force F, which we don't know what that is, and then you have the normal component here. Okay, and just like the other one, now you're going to find that in the theta direction, you have F going in the positive theta direction. Here's the n sine theta, which essentially is this guy right here, this component, right, of the normal force, and then the weight. And then the weight is just going to be, now we're talking about the adjacent side, and it's negative because it's in the opposite direction. Okay, and it's the same thing as before. Here's my mass, and here's my a theta, or the acceleration in theta direction. Okay. And if you solve for it, of course, you can solve for n for the first equation, and then from that, substitute into the second equation, and then you can solve for f. Okay, and that is it for this section.